Hey guys, I just bought Dark Souls and I heard this is popular. Oh god! Oh god, I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry! I didn't mean it! Oh god! Oh, hello. Here's to an honorable duel, sir. Fuck! Why not?
I'm a douche!
Oh, not this one.
Milady, I have returned.
Hey guys! How you doing?
I don't know what other gesture to use.
Hey, Freak Joe! You're going nowhere!
Oh, baby. Baby, please. I'm sorry. I can change. Please take me back. No. Well, fuck you, bitch.
I've become so numb, I can't feel you there.
It's right here. I'm trying to help you. It's right here.